ice crystals that have pushed up from the ground. The ground is just frozen solid. Different kind of sign up here. I guess there's no trees, so they've got these posts that are painted white, or have white blazes painted on them. And then there's that sign. That's pretty interesting. That says it's a geodetic survey marker. I don't know what that means. Interestingly, I paste these off, and these are 30 to 35 feet apart, and they just go on and on and on. So you can see the posts there, 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 and you can also see that a storm